The Adair cabin was moved here, taken apart log by log, stone by stone, and rebuilt here in 1912 to protect it from being sold and turned into walking sticks or into a curiosity attraction at the time. And when it got into the 20s, like all log cabins do, it had started to lean because gravity is the only thing holding this thing together. The cabin originally was a mile west of here, and if you visit the cabin, you can see the original cabin because what we have built is a ghost cabin made out of metal pipes on the original site, on the exact measurement on the original site. We know that because we did two archaeological digs to determine where that was. Women's Relief Corps, the Grand Army of the Republic, came up here and said, look, John Brown's cabin is in danger, and no one wanted to argue with those ladies. So the Kansas Historical Society came in, they poured concrete underneath there so we don't have to worry about it leaning. And the Kansas Historical Society directed the building of this pergola around the cabin. It's as thick as it looks. It is not. It's around 18 inches to 2 feet thick. And the windows are shaped exactly like the windows in the engine house at Harper's Ferry. So we really owe the women of the Women's Relief Corps of the Grand Army of the Republic for preserving this cabin, and Mary Gardner Adair, who was a member of the Women's Relief Corps of the Grand Army of the Republic.